Next, I will show you some of the most important settings of the store. But first, we need to customize the footer and header of our store. So, I will exit this editor by clicking on this Exit button. Next, I will click on the Page option here. Here, I will go to the Contact Page option. We need to make sure that under the template, the Contact Page option is selected. Next, we also need to add a page for showing the FAQ section. So, I will click on Add Pages option and then name this page as FAQ. Next, I will select the FAQ section under Templates. Then I will set the page as visible, and then I will hit the Save button. If you click on this little eye icon, it will take you to the Shopify page editor, where you'll be able to customize the FAQ page content. I have already generated the content for this page with my prompts, and now I only need to copy the content from here and paste into this section.
5 minutes later.
All right, I have added all the questions and answers in this section, and now I only need to hit the Save button to save all the changes. All right, now I will go back to my Shopify dashboard. Since we've already created the pages, it's time to set up our store menu. To do that, click on this navigation button. Here, you'll see the main menu and the footer menu of the store. First, let's go to the main menu. Here, we have 3 options. The catalog option is not important, so I will select it and then delete it from the menu. Next, I want to add the FAQ page here. So I will click on the Add menu item and then type FAQ. And then I will add the link to the FAQ page here. And then I will hit the Save button. And just like this, the header menu of our store is also complete. Next, I will go to the footer menu option. This is mainly used to show the store policy pages. To create the policy pages, we first need to go to Settings on the bottom left, and then click on Policies. Here, you'll see all the policies that we need to add into our store. To do that, click on any policy page here, and then click on this Insert Template button. Shopify provides templates for each policy page, so we only need to insert the template and then replace some info, and we will be good to go. And we need to repeat the same process for our privacy policy and other policies. You'll notice that there are no templates for the shipping policy. You can create a template using ChatGPT, but make sure to put your shipping and delivery info within the first paragraphs. And now that all the policy pages are ready, we only need to go back and then link these pages to the footer menu. And once you add all the policy, click on this Save button to save all the changes. Next, I will click on the Online Store option and then click on Customize. On the Shopify editor, you'll notice that the header menu is already updated. And if you scroll down, you'll notice that the footer menu is also updated. On the left sidebar, you'll see the footer option at the very end. Here, you'll see all the blocks of the footer section. For now, I will remove the image block. Next, I will select the Quick Links block and then change the title to Policies. We have many different options to add in this footer section. Adding an image or brand info is very common. So I will select the image block. I can add my logo in this block. So on the right sidebar, I will click on Select Image and then upload my store logo. Next, I will also increase the image width so that it appears perfectly. By the way, I've got this logo idea from ChatGPT. I only had to enter the prompt in ChatGPT, and it provided me with 3 logo suggestions that resembled the product and also resonated with the target audience. Based on the suggestions, you can design your logo using a free tool like Canva or Kittl. Next, I also want to add this logo in the store header. So I will select the header now. Here, I will change the store background. Next, to add the logo, we need to go to the Theme settings. Here, click on this logo option and then upload your logo. And the logo will be visible to the store. Make sure to adjust the width of the logo so that it appears perfectly. Next, I will also delete this announcement bar, as it is not looking good with the header. All right, now